On this episode of DIY Explorer, we are going to take this nasty cat tower and repair it with $6 worth of rope. Tune in and check it out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Welcome to DIY Explorer. I'm Dave, your host. In this episode, we're going to take this nasty cat tower and replace it with something brand new like this. Alright, before we get started, there's some tools we're going to need. So the first tool you're going to need is probably a screwdriver to take off the bottom plate. Next tool we're going to need is a knife or scissors of some type, preferably sharp. We're going to need a hot glue gun. We are not using staples or nails or anything on this project to hold it together. Staples, I think, are bad for cats' claws and paws, so we're not going to do any staples. Then, screw gun with a drill bit, and in this video we'll show you why we need these two things to restore a cat pole. Alright, let's dig in. Now that we got our pole wrapped in the sisal rope, we're glued along one side. There's no staples. What we're going to do is take the cotton that was on the top, because we're going to put a cover on top of it to protect the kitty cat's little feet, claws. We're going to use common t-shirt laying around the house to cover that. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a second layer about halfway down with the rest of our rope to give it a nice extra area, because this is the area the cats really tear apart. So let's dig into that. there we have it, our restored cat scratching pole. To buy something like this new in the store would be about $25 and up. We restored this one for about $6, plus a few tools around the house and a donated t-shirt. If you like this video, hit the like button below because that's what you do. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get more videos on DIY stuff you want to do yourself, because I'm going to help you do it. And if you want to visit our website, it's DIYexplorer.com. Everything you need is in the show notes below, even where to buy the rope that I used right here. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video.